Welcome to the best picks. The best closet sliding doors is probably one of the most transformative upgrades you can make to your home, seamlessly blending practicality with style to create a more organized and visually appealing space. Whether you're aiming for a minimalist look or a touch of modern elegance, closet sliding doors offer a versatile solution to optimize storage and enhance the overall design of your bedroom or any room in your house. Number 5. WINSOON 7.5-foot barn door kit. This kit is perfect for adding a touch of rustic elegance to your home. It's designed for easy installation and smooth operation. It's built from high-quality carbon steel, ensuring durability and the ability to support doors weighing up to 277 pounds. The black powder coating adds a sleek, modern look. Make sure your track is at least twice the width of your door, and leave at least 5.1 inches of clearance between the door and ceiling. This kit fits doors 45 inches wide and 138 to 134 inches thick. The high-quality rollers and anti-hop blocks ensure smooth, quiet sliding. Enjoy effortless door movement for years to come. Everything you need is included: tracks, rollers, stoppers, and an easy-to-follow instruction manual. Installation typically takes 2 people about 40 minutes. It complements various design styles, saving space in any room. Use it in homes, offices, or commercial spaces to add both style and functionality. What we like. This kit is made of high-quality carbon steel, ensuring durability and a smooth sliding motion. It also comes with an easy-to-follow installation manual and video. If you need a sturdy and easy-to-install sliding door solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The instructions are clear, and after I laid everything out on the floor, it all slid together easily and screwed together without any issues. Works great and good strong quality. The hardware is very good and the kit comes sandpaper and gloves for finishing. Number 4. WINSOON 8-foot barn door hardware kit. This kit is perfect for adding a touch of rustic elegance to your home. It's designed for double doors, making it a stylish and functional addition to any room. It's built to last with high-quality carbon steel and a durable powder-coated finish. This ensures smooth operation and long-lasting performance. The polymer nylon wheels provide incredibly smooth and quiet operation. You'll enjoy years of trouble-free use. Its unique single-track design is perfect for smaller spaces. It's a simple and efficient solution for double doors. With easy-to-follow instructions and helpful customer support, installation is a breeze. You'll have it up and running in no time. Everything you need is included: rails, rollers, and all necessary hardware. Get started on your upgrade today. What we like. This heavy-duty option boasts a unique one-rail design, saving space and making installation quicker. The polymer nylon wheels ensure quiet operation. If you're looking for a space-saving, quiet, and efficient solution, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Excellent material, easy to assemble, and great communication, fast delivery. Very strong and durable. My husband made me a shoe storage cabinet. He made my barn doors. It looks great. My husband just built a new barn doors for new pantry, and this hardware was absolutely perfect. It looks great. It's very sturdy, and it allowed my husband to build his own custom barn doors and install them with this hardware. Number 3. SMARTSTANDARD 40 barn door kit. It's perfect for smaller areas, needing only 6 to 8 inches of clearance beside the doorway. This versatile kit works with many door types and fits various rooms. Made of heavy-duty black steel, it's built to last and resist wear. The smooth rollers and tracks make opening and closing effortless and quiet. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions. Whether you're a DIYer or hire help, we're here to support you online. It fits doors 1 to 1 to 3-4 inches thick, up to 18 inches wide each, and weighing up to 180 pounds. Ensure you have at least 6 inches of clearance between the top of the door and the ceiling. Everything you need is included: tracks, rollers, hinges, and more. Just add your doors and get started. What we like. This bifolding kit is ideal for smaller spaces, requiring minimal clearance. It offers smooth, quiet operation and comes with easy-to-follow instructions. If you value space efficiency and a hassle-free installation, this is the best choice. What people say. Great barn door hardware. put some new doors in our basement and custom made the doors. So we ordered this hardware which worked flawlessly. The instructions show you how to place them at the proper height every time, but take some trust in them the first time, but they work great. This was surprisingly easy to assemble and install. The instructions give you all of the measurements needed for the proper hanging height. The result is absolutely beautiful. Great solution for a barn door with no way to slide left or right. Use it to conceal my washer dryer install. Needs a little care to get the install right, but worth the effort. Looks great. As bad as bifold doors can be, these are solid, work well and can't be faulted. Number 2. Double K sliding closet door. Give your bedroom a fresh, modern look with this stylish sliding closet door. Its double K-shaped design is both trendy and space-saving, perfect for any home decor. It's made from high-quality, durable MDF for a smooth, long-lasting finish. This sustainable material won't warp, crack, or shrink, ensuring years of reliable use. With dimensions of 60x80, it's ideal for standard closet openings. The panels are pre-drilled for easy assembly and a quick installation. Sliding doors are a fantastic way to save space in any room. Use it in your bedroom, bathroom, or even laundry room to enhance the look and functionality of your home. The door comes with all the necessary hardware for a straightforward installation. Plus, we offer excellent customer service to assist with any questions or concerns you may have. What we like? This stylish door adds charm to any room while saving space. Made from durable MDF, it's environmentally friendly and resistant to warping. If you want a beautiful, space-saving, and sustainable solution, this is it. What people say. Looks very nice. You just need to buy handles, something sturdy as door is heavy. The assembly takes about 10 minutes for a single person, easy and smoothly processing. The hardware is great quality. Functional very well. Perfect size too. Easy to install. I think they look great. Number 1. Primeline 163590 Closet Track Kit. This kit makes installing or replacing your sliding closet doors a breeze. It's perfect for medium-duty applications and is easy to use. It measures 59 inches wide, 1 to 116 inches high, and 1 to 916 inches deep. This ensures a perfect fit for your closet space. It uses 7 8-inch diameter wheels and features adjustable roller assemblies. These fit doors from 3 4-inch to 1 to 1 4-inch thick. It's built to last with a galvanized steel track, plastic wheels, a floor guide, and steel brackets. You can trust it for years of reliable service. Before ordering, please check the included line art drawing to ensure it meets your needs. It's designed for a straightforward installation process. Compare the dimensions shown in the diagram to your existing closet to ensure a proper fit. This will save you time and effort. What we like? This kit is highly adjustable to fit various door thicknesses and is built to last. It offers a classic design and is perfect for replacing or installing medium-duty sliding doors. If you need a reliable and adjustable solution, this is the one to choose. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.